Hi you guys, it's Angie. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I want to share with you guys my recipe on how it is that I make tostadas de jaiba or crab tostadas. This dish, you guys, is going to be perfect for those really hot summer days approaching because it's a cold dish and it's a really fast dish to prepare. That way you can enjoy your family and not have to stand in front of a stove all day. So if you want to know how it is that I make this dish, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so this is the ingredients that we're going to need to make our tostadas. We're going to need 2 cucumbers, half a purple onion, avocado, 2 tomatoes, and I'm using these size tomatoes, guys, but if it's the Roma tomatoes you're going to need 4 of those. You're also going to need, of course, imitation crab meat, salt, ketchup, ground black pepper, and of course tostadas. Alright you guys, so we're gonna start off by chopping our veggies and putting them in a bowl where we're gonna mix in the jaiba. Any deep bowl that you have, you guys, will work perfect for this, so you could just put it in there and then go ahead and cover it and put it in the fridge for whenever you guys are ready to eat. So cucumbers, I know I'm missing some of it, I don't know where it went, just kidding. I think I ate some of it. Sorry. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the seeds out, you guys. I don't like it with the seeds. So I just get a small spoon and I just start basically scraping off the seeds here. Just take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. And once you're done doing this, you guys, we're going to go ahead and start slicing it and then chopping it. All right? So go for it. So all our veggies are chopped up and put into this bowl, and now we're gonna go ahead and put in our jaiba. So you guys, I like to use the sticks, these right here. In a perfect world, you guys, these would be very easy to shred, but for some reason this brand was not. You can also use the block that they sell, but whatever kind you like, go ahead and use. Also you guys, I have nieces and nephews who are vegetarian, and they asked me if imitation crab is actually imitation, it's not real fish. But I learned, you guys, that it does have pieces of real crab meat in it, and also it can be made from pulverized white fish. So just make sure you guys read the label to inform yourselves what it is that you guys are consuming. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, guys, is go ahead and just slice it and then chop the jaiba and then put it in the bowl, and we'll be ready to go after that. Alright you guys, so we have chopped up all the jaiba and the veggies, and now we're gonna go ahead and mix this and blend it, and we're also gonna add salt and pepper to this. Alright guys, what some people like to do is once they added the pepper and the salt, they like to add a lot of lime juice and just make it as a ceviche. You can go ahead and totally do that. However, what I like to do is add ketchup. I did that once and I love the way it tastes. So I'm just going to go ahead and add about 1 cup to 2 cups of ketchup, mix it in, and then my jaiba will be ready. Alright guys, here are our jaiba tostadas ready to be devoured by hungry people. I like to add some tapatio or any hot sauce that you have, your preference, go for it. And I also like to add some lime. Also you guys, if you don't want to have it in a tostada like this, you can also definitely go ahead and have it with tortilla chips on the side. Some people just prefer to have it that way. It's just everyone's preference, but there's no wrong way to eat jaiba. And I really hope I don't get sued by Reese's for saying that. But yes, you guys, go ahead and enjoy the Jaiba however it is that you like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys come back for my next recipe. Bye.